Next, we will discuss the types of microorganisms. There are 5 major groups of microorganisms. Number 1, viruses. Number 2, bacteria. Number 3, protozoa. Number 4, algae. And number 5 is fungi. You can see the figure. Viruses are tiniest among all the microorganisms, and the other are bacteria, molds, fungi, protozoa and algae. Now we will discuss the first two, bacteria and viruses, in detail. First, viruses. Viruses are the sub-microorganisms that have the characteristics of both the living and non-living things. It means that viruses are in the boundary between the living organisms and the non-living organisms. And the main characteristics of viruses are: number 1, viruses inhabit and reproduce only inside the cells of living organisms such as plants, animals and human beings. Viruses are non-living when outside the cell, but when they get inside the cell, they become living and uses the host machinery to multiply and grow. Second, they obtain their food from the host cells. Host cells means, what are hosts? Hosts are the organisms on the body of which the viruses are found. Third, they are very small, about 0.015 micron to 0.2 micron. Number 4 characteristic, viruses cannot be seen by simple microscopes. They are so small that they can be seen under the electron microscope. Number 5 characteristic, viruses exhibit a variety of shapes such as rod-like, spherical, polygonal, etc. Nowadays, we all know that we are inside our house due to COVID-19 outbreak. According to WHO, World Health Organization, coronavirus is also a disease. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered virus, and it affects the respiratory system. There are many types of virus. We can see the figure here. HIV virus, human immunovirus. It causes AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome in human beings. AIDS is also a very dreadful syndrome which is caused in the human beings. It is not a disease. We call it as syndrome because in this group of symptoms occur in the infected person. Next is the bacteriophage virus. Bacteriophage means the virus which affects the bacteria. It makes the bacteria to live and multiply. And there are other viruses also. You can see the figure. Next is the bacteria. Bacteria, they are single-celled microbes with a cell wall, ribosomes and cytoplasm, but they lack membrane-bound cell organelles. They lack a true nucleus and the other membrane-bound cell organelles. Number 2, unlike virus, they feed, move, respire and multiply on their own. Third characteristic, they are found at all places. They are found in extreme conditions in the environment like in air, water, soil, even in ice-cold water and hot water springs, the bacteria are found. They live as parasites in the body of the other organisms. What are parasites? The organisms which obtain their food from the living host. They grow and multiply in the body of the living host. So they are called as parasites. Next characteristics, they are of different shapes like bacillus, coccus, spiral, and the figure is shown here. Bacillus are the rod-shaped bacteria. Coccus, they are spherical or rod-shaped. Spiral, they may be coiled like a spiral. Hope you have understood the topic. I am sending question answers related to these topics. Please write down in your copies and learn them also.